This is the demo video for Medicare Compare's online quoting tool, which includes access to the new Client Manager tool. We've walked through several examples of how you can use the Client Manager tool when running a new quote. We'll quickly review that here. If you click Run Quote to start a new quote and you'd like to pull in a client's information that you've already created, you can select any client from the client dropdown and it will update their information and pull in the information that you've previously entered. Or you can start typing a new name here. So we'll go ahead and refresh this page. If we type in a new name here, maybe we want to say Friday Test, then we can click Create New Client Friday Test, and then this person will be saved when you enter the zip code, age, gender, tobacco status, and the plan type. All this information will then be saved in the Client Manager. So you can do it two ways. You can either select a client from the dropdown, or you can create a new client here. Otherwise, from the dashboard, you can go directly into the Client Manager. So you can click View Clients underneath Client Manager, and you can see any clients that you previously created here listed under these search results. You can also import clients. You can import an Excel or CSV file. You can click New, and then you can enter a new client and create a new client with their new information. You can go back to your clients. You can search for a client. So maybe I'm trying to find Jane. If I type Jane, all three Janes that I work with pull up, and then I can select the client I need. You can see all of your clients here by switching the view option. So if I want to see their zip code and tobacco status on the screen, I can change the view options here. I can also add a filter. So if I want to filter all of my Nebraska clients, I can filter by state and then select the state. So maybe I say Nebraska. I want to see all my Nebraska clients. Here they all are. So there are several different ways that you can navigate the screen. You can add additional filters. So maybe I said, then I want to see anybody in Nebraska, that's a female. Well, these are all females, but if we had anyone that was a male, we could find them. So you can filter with multiple filters at one time. You can also click Select or Edit, and then you could delete clients or export clients. So your three choices are at the bottom. So if we select, we can select 3 or 4, 5, as many people as you'd like to select at once, or you can select all. So I'm going to select 3 people here. Our options at the bottom are to export this. It would export to an Excel file or CSV file. We can delete these people, or we can also do a bulk quote. So let's go over the bulk quote. It's another great feature offered by the Client Manager. If we click bulk quote, we can quote multiple clients at once for Medicare Supplement. We can choose the effective date, the age calculated as of today's date, or a future date. We can select a plan that it would be run for all of them, so it can either be their current plan that they're on, or you can select a G and then it will run a plan G or any plan for all of your clients. It's going to pick the best 3 options for these people, so you can choose if you want to select all of your companies and then it will select the best 3 out of all results, or you can also, let's wait for this to load here, you can also just select a few companies at once. So maybe you want to say, I want to pick 3 or 4 or 5 of my favorite companies or carriers, then it will pick the best 3 from those. But I'm going to select all. So it's going to select the best 3 options for everyone from all different carriers, not just a select grouping, but you can always do a grouping here if you'd like. Then I'm going to hit Get Quotes. Now again, I selected this for 3 people. It's going to run a quote for all 3 all at one time. So you can do up to, really as many as clients as you want. You don't have to do just 3. So I have 3 here, but again, remember you can do this for multiple clients, hundreds of clients if you'd like. So I have Joseph Smith, Taylor McDonald, and Jane Doe listed here. It lists what their in-force rate is. This is what I've entered before. And then it shows me my best 3 options. So I could say, okay, for Joseph, he pays $100. I could save him some money by switching to State Mutual. Or you can enter their in-force rate. So maybe they pay $95. We want to save this, and then we can say, okay, they are on the best available plan. They're not going to save any money. We should stick with this plan. So we can run multiple quotes at once, up to hundreds and hundreds of quotes. There's no limit on the number that you can run at one time, and then you can always export these results and compare and see how your clients are performing as far as which plans they are on, which ones that they could be switching over to. So it really gives you an idea to see if they should be switched over to plans or if they're doing the best plan possible with what they're currently on. If we click back to my clients, we can see our full result list again of all of our clients. You can choose how many are on a page at one time, but it really keeps everything organized and all in one place when you can use a Client Manager platform on the same tool as all of your quoting tools. We also have training guides up at the top, so if you'd like to see a full tutorial again of this, which you're already watching, or you can see a client import example or a training guide, all those resources are available for you to use. Thank you so much for watching today's overview of the Client Manager tool and also how to do a bulk quote. I hope you have a great rest of your day.